Good morning, students. Last week, children, we had studied about different types of forest in India. We have studied that forests are very important for us, for not only the animals for their homes and oxygen or food, we the human beings also are benefited by the forest in many ways. We get food, we get oxygen from the plants and trees, we get many types of materials like we get gum, then paper, we also get medicinal herbs, fruits, vegetables, even the timber for building houses. In this way, plants and trees are so important in our lives. That's why it is advisable that a country should have, it must have at least 1/3 area of its area as forest area. But unfortunately, in India, we have only 1/4 area as forest area. Children, though we know that trees and plants are very important, they are the lifeline of us, but still we cut down the trees, we are cutting down the plants because forests are cut down because we want to build houses, we want to make buildings, we want to make those area, turn those area into agricultural land, or maybe other purposes like setting up of industries or factories. So in this way, instead of increasing the area of forest, increasing the forest area, we are actually cutting down the trees, and our forest area is becoming lesser day by day. So we should take some steps that our forests should be protected, conserved, and government has done many things so that we do not cut trees in the forest. It is not permissible. Forest areas are protected by the officials. There are forest reserves people whose duty is to take care of the forest and to protect the forest, because forests are the storehouse of us. We get so many things from the forest. Children, as we know that we are not conserving the forest in a proper way, we should save the forest. Now these are the three things which we are going to discuss. They are deforestation, afforestation, and reforestation. Now coming to deforestation, what is deforestation? Deforestation means the forests are cut down. We are cutting the forest because we have to turn those areas into agricultural land, or setting up of factories and industries, or building houses and residential complexes. So deforestation, as I will show you just now. As you can see, deforestation is the full or large scale removal of forest. Either large scale of cutting down of trees, or fully means the forest area is gone. Areas of trees in order to clear land for human development, for your development. We are cutting down the trees. As you know, human beings are progressing. We are taking, we are progressing in a way that there are more machines, not trees around us. Okay. And deforestation, directly and indirectly, it affects the human beings, because the forested area is gone. We will not get the pure air, even we will not get our food, we will not get things like rubber, timber, or paper, or other medicinal herbs, isn't it? Even soil erosion is stopped by trees. That is very important. It is a natural habitat of animals. Okay. Now, what is deforestation? Deforestation is the removal of forest or stand of trees where the land is then converted into non-forest use. And non-forest like agricultural land and urban areas, cities are built up. So conservation of forest is very important for us. Okay, so to protect our forest, to save our forest, we should not allow deforestation. Deforestation should not be allowed. Cutting down of trees in a large scale is called deforestation. Okay, coming to the next is afforestation. Now what should we do to safeguard our areas from from cutting down of trees or a forest being cut down in a large scale? We should go for afforestation. Afforestation is the process of establishment of forest where there was no forest. Where there was no forest, those areas will plant large scale of trees. Okay, because forest doesn't have only few trees, large, many, hundreds and hundreds of trees. So if we keep on planting large scale of trees, then we can have afforestation. Okay, it is done by planting trees or sowing their seeds and caring continually under the trees grow collectively as a whole forest. So continuously planting trees in a large scale can lead to afforestation. Okay, in 5th standard you will study about a person in Brahmaputra area who for 35 years continuously he kept on planting trees in the banks of Brahmaputra river, and in this way he has turned that area into a forest area. Okay, so afforestation and deforestation, you can see the difference here. In afforestation, plants are being grown and saplings are sown, seeds are sown, and in deforestation you can see it is been cut down, the trees are being cut down. So afforestation is establishment of forest by planting more and more trees, and deforestation is where we are cutting down the trees. Okay, for the progress of human beings we are cutting down the trees, and that is not at all good for our not only human beings, even for animals. Okay, afforestation is planting seeds or trees to make a forest or land which has not been forest recently. So it was not a forest area, but turning it into a forest area. Benefits of afforestation: it keeps the ecological balance, it maintains biological diversity. Catchment area means the soil is not eroded away. Planting trees can save the soil, okay, and prevent flood, and forest products we can get. That is very important too. We should get forest products. So afforestation means planting trees in an area that was not a forest earlier. It was not a forest. We made it into, turning into forest. And the last thing which we are going to study is reforestation. Now we have already cut down the trees in an area. It became deforested land. Now can we again plant more and more trees and make it into again a forest area? And that is called reforestation, children. Reforestation, I'll just show you once, just a minute. Reforestation, as you can see, reforestation means planting in an area, means planting trees in an area where it was there was forest earlier, and we had cut down the trees and making it again into forest area. Okay, so reforestation, the replanting of a clear-cut forest to assist in recovery, like recovering it, making it into again into an area where we can have forest area. So planting trees which was earlier a forest and it was cut down, and the forest was cut down, is called reforestation. Planting trees on a deforested land means the forest was there, we had cut down, and again we plant trees and then make it into a forest area, which is very, very important. So the three things we study, children, is deforestation, Deforestation means cutting trees in a large scale where the forest area means gone, and afforestation means planting trees in a large scale so that it turns into a forest area, and reforestation means planting trees in the deforested area where we had already cut down the trees and making it into a forest area. So these three definitions is very important. Deforestation, cutting down of trees in a large scale. Afforestation, planting trees in an area that was not a forest earlier, and reforestation means planting trees on the deforested land. So children, please remember all these three things: deforestation, afforestation and reforestation. Deforestation means cutting down trees in a large scale. Afforestation means planting trees in an area which was not a forest area earlier, and reforestation means planting trees in the deforested land. So in this way we can save the forest, we can conserve our forest. Thank you children.